Welcome to The Explainer. Listen, I'm going to hit you with something right out of the gate that might surprise you. If you are an American small business owner, you don't actually have a bookkeeping problem. What you have is a workflow problem. Okay, let's dive into this, because fixing this one simple distinction is literally the difference between running a well-oiled machine and constantly dreading tax season. Here's the Command Center playbook we're marching through today. 1. The real bookkeeping problem. 2. The 12-step business playbook. 3. Your financial operating schedule. 4. Fatal small business mistakes. And 5. Build your workflow today. All right, let's get to work. Section 1. The real bookkeeping problem. Fixing the scramble. Look, without a solid system, your bookkeeping just turns into scrambling. You're hunting down receipts, you're guessing at numbers, and you are absolutely dreading the IRS when April rolls around. But when you lock in a system, man, it becomes routine. It becomes totally predictable. Honestly, it becomes delightfully boring. And trust me, as your advisor, I can tell you for a fact that boring finances equal profitable finances. So what is a workflow, really? Well, it's definitely not a one-time panic attack you have right before taxes are due. It's a rigid, repeatable protocol. It means executing the exact same steps in the exact same order every single cycle. And here's the secret. The absolute best workflow out there isn't some crazy expensive enterprise software. It's simply the one you actually follow. Moving to Section 2, the 12-step business playbook, executing the standard. Okay, we're going to move fast through these first few. Step 1, collect your financial documents, invoices, receipts, bank statements. Everything starts right here. Step 2, record your income, every single dollar coming in. Step 3, record expenses, rent, software, supplies, all categorized correctly from day 1. Step 4, upload supporting documents immediately. Snap a photo of that receipt right away so it never gets lost. And Step 5, categorize those transactions. This is how we take messy, raw numbers and turn them into a clear financial picture. Whoa, okay, stop right here. Step 6, drop everything and listen to me very carefully, because this is the single most critical checkpoint in the entire workflow. If you ignore everything else I say today, do not ignore this. Step 6 is reconciling your bank accounts. This right here is exactly where you catch errors way before they compound into massive IRS tax problems. Reconciling simply means matching your books to your bank statement, literally dollar for dollar. It is the definitive checkpoint of your business. Because look, if you skip this, your numbers are pure fiction. And let me tell you, the IRS does not deal in fiction. All right, picking our rapid pace back up. Step 7, review accounts receivable. Late payments, not low revenue, are the leading cause of cash flow death for U.S. small businesses. Chase your money. Step 8, review accounts payable. Pay your bills accurately and on time. Step 9, generate your financial reports. Profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow. Step 10, review business performance. Don't just make the reports, actually sit down and read them. Step 11, back up your records securely to the cloud. And finally, Step 12, tax prep. Stay ready year-round so you aren't sweating bullets when tax season hits. Section 3, your financial operating schedule, when to act. Now, you obviously can't do this all at once, so here is your battle rhythm. Daily, you record your income and expenses and you upload those receipts. Weekly, you categorize your transactions and check up on your cash flow and unpaid invoices. Monthly, you reconcile those bank accounts and review your reports. Annually, you handle your year-end review, organize your tax records, and meet with your accountant. This schedule right here, this is how you maintain strict operational control. I want you to burn these 5 staccato words into your memory. Collect, record, reconcile, review, repeat. If you just do these 5 things consistently on the schedule we just talked about, your business finances will literally go on autopilot. Section 4, fatal small business mistakes, identifying the gaps. Here's the harsh truth. Most bookkeeping disasters aren't born out of complexity. They happen because of operational gaps. Waiting until the end of the month to record transactions, mixing personal and business expenses, which is a cardinal sin that destroys your corporate veil, skipping that critical monthly bank reconciliation, losing receipts, or generating beautiful, detailed reports that nobody actually bothers to read. As your advisor, I am warning you point blank. Small gaps compound into massive, incredibly expensive problems. You have to fix them now. Section 5. Build your workflow today. Action over perfection. Hear me loud and clear on this one. Consistency beats perfection every single time. Your workflow absolutely does not need to be flawless on day one. You just have to start. Start with the basics. Collect your docs, record your transactions, and do that monthly reconciliation. You can build out the rest later. Consistency is exactly how you win this game. So, I'm challenging you right now. Take a hard look at your current operations. Where is your system failing you? Are your receipts shoved in a shoebox somewhere in the back office? Are your personal and business funds sloshing around in the exact same checking account? You need to identify your weakest link, and you need to fix it immediately. Here's what you need to do next. Go click the Finance Made Simple link in the description of this explainer right now. Grab the full 12-step guide, get the weekly schedule, and take the self-check to fix your business workflow today. Do not wait for tax season to roll around. Fix the system right now, and the numbers will take care of themselves. Let me leave you with this final thought. If the IRS knocked on your door tomorrow morning, would your books tell the story of total control or total chaos?